Hello and welcome to another episode of CarCast with me, Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader. The place where you can get all your trading and psychology needs. So today we're going to be covering awareness, because you can literally be trading for years and not be aware of certain things that are really going to help you in your forex journey. Like, especially if you're distracted with indicators, because price is king, and it's true, price is king. But if you're distracted with indicators, EMAs, Bollinger Bands, Heikin-Ashi candles, or Ichimoku cloud, whatever it's called, then you're not looking at price. You're not looking at open and close, high, low, open and close prices. You're just looking at the indicators. And even if you're not looking at them and they're on your chart, they're still taking up energy in your mind. When you're looking at the screen, it's still taking up focus without you even looking at the actual indicator, even though it's on your chart. If you're not looking at it, even if it's on your chart and you're not looking at it, it's still taking up, it's still distracting you, even though you're not looking at it. So just take them all off and learn to read pure price action. And once you learn to be pure price action, like order blocks, breakers, turtle soups, voids, mitigation blocks, rejection blocks, all those type of ways to trade, you can still be years without being aware of how to put them all together in a sequence that just works pretty much 9 out of 10 times. And the only way you're going to really lose a trade is that 1 out of 10 or human error. And that's where you want to be in your trading career. You want to have everything down, all your rules down to a T, that work at least 9 out of 10 times, and if you lose, it's just human error. And the thing is, with having a mentor or having especially a mentor, not just a course, because a course, the mentor knows what's going on in his head or her head, and as they explain it, if they're not explaining it correctly, or they're not explaining it on a deeper consciousness level, a deeper understanding level, you're literally gonna look through what they're actually doing, even though they're showing you what they're actually doing. Does that make sense? But with me and my course and my mentoring, I will literally explain it in a way that you get it. You will internalize it in a way that you get it, and you'll be able to use it moving forward. And this is a technique that actually works 9 out of 10 times, and the only way you're going to fail is human error. And when you're trading, there's only 4 outcomes. I think it's four outcomes. There's a small loss, a break even, a small win, or a big win. That's the only outcomes that you'll have ever in trading. Don't allow the 5th outcome to ever come into your reality, which is a big loss, because that's human error. That's moving your stop losses or not having a stop loss, and you do not want that in your trading. You want a break even, a small loss, a small win, or a big win, and that's it. You do not want the 5th element, which some people have in their trading, and that's who don't go far and can't build up a strong positive equity curve, is because they have the 5th element, which is which is a big loss, and you do not want that. And the only reason why you'll get that, like I said, is you'll only get that if you move your stop losses or don't have a stop loss. If you just trade with those 4 outcomes, you will build a profitable trading business. Especially if you're aware of things that work and you can use things that work in your trading. Like I said again, you can literally know order blocks, breakers, turtle soups and mitigation blocks, rejection blocks, and still not be aware of the actual ebb and flow of the market. You can still not be aware. You can have all your indicators on. If you have all your indicators on, you'll literally be distracted. Like, take them all off. And if, guys, honestly, if you're serious about your trading career and you want to be aware of our way of seeing the market, which is unbelievable. It took me 5 years to get to this point where I've put all the pieces together and I can give you the plan, and it followed 9 out of 10 times. The only time you'll fail is that 1 out of 10 or human error. How good does that sound? And I am, and also it's a system's designed and set up in a way that you can get in with tight entries by following the plan. Awareness, guys, is absolute key. Like, honestly, you can be looking at the chart for years and still not see what you need to be seeing. And the power of a mentor is he will make you aware and understand exactly how to destroy the market, because it's repeatable over and over and over and over again, and you just have the right programming in your mind to read the chart in this way, and onwards and upwards you will go 100%. So if you're looking for a deeper understanding and a deeper awareness to live life on your terms, because basically you will literally live life, and my definition of life is living in freedom every day. Live in freedom every day. Freedom from what? Freedom from the money issues, freedom from the job, freedom from boss, but also in trading, it's freedom from revenge trades, freedom from anxiety, freedom from fear, because you'll be exactly aware of where the market's going and why it's going that way and at what time it's going that way. So you'll be able to pull pips from the market. If you're trading Forex, about 100 pips a day on average, and if you're trading NASDAQ, which we teach as well, you'll be earning 1,000 pips a day on NASDAQ on average. So if that sounds good to you and you want to be aware, and if you don't want a mentor to literally speed up your learning and save you years and years and years and years and years of trial and error and frustration, then just take all your indicators off your charts and look at price for what it truly is. And a key tip as well, which was huge in my trading journey, I shouldn't really be telling you this, but I want to give you the most value, and if you've got to the end of this audio, you deserve the most value. The ones that cut off halfway between these calls, halfway through these calls, CarCast, halfway through CarCast, then don't deserve the nuggets at the end, which is don't call all your setups by their name, what you've been shown them to be. Call them for what they are, and if you do that, it will take your trading business to the next level. And at the end of every audio, which is the key points to trading psychology, stay patient, stay disciplined, follow your rules like a pilot, and always and every day manage your risk. Until next time, stay patient. If you're not patient, make it your goal this week to be patient more than ever. I believe in you, and you'll make it. Bye for now.